Ready to declutter your online presence? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to permanently delete a WordPress website you no longer need. Whether you're making room for new projects or simply cleaning up your WordPress dashboard, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove an unused WordPress site without any confusion or second guessing. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central control room of your website. If you're not already there, open your preferred browser, type in your site's login URL, usually something like, and enter your username and password. Once you're in, take a breath, you're in the right place to start the process. Now on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options, one of which is labeled Posts. Go ahead and click on that. While we're technically interested in deleting a site, WordPress organizes much of its content and options under these sidebar menus. For some users, sites might be organized as a custom post type, so if you don't see your website listed under Posts, check for another section in the sidebar that best resembles what you want to delete. It might be something like Sites, Pages, or a special custom label, depending on your theme or plugins. Next, look at the list of posts, or in your case, the websites listed. Carefully find the one you're ready to remove. This is an important moment, so double-check that you're selecting the correct website if you manage more than one. Accidentally deleting the wrong one can mean a lot of lost work, so really make sure you have the right entry selected. Once you're confident, hover your mouse over the name of that website. A few quick options will appear underneath, like Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and so on. What you want to do now is click on Trash. When you do this, WordPress isn't yet wiping your site off the face of the internet. It's moving it to the trash bin, sort of like when you throw something away on your computer's desktop. This gives you a chance to change your mind before making things permanent. As soon as you send it to trash, look up near the top of the screen. You should now see a trash link, usually with a little number next to it indicating how many items are in the trash. Click on this trash option. Now you'll see everything you've sent to the trash recently, including the website you just selected. Take a moment to scan for the correct website in this list. Again, it's a good idea to make sure you have the right one before you move on to the final step. Once you find it, hover your mouse over its name once more. This time you'll see an option labeled Delete Permanently. Click that, and after a brief moment, WordPress will completely remove the website from your dashboard, no going back. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a WordPress website. It's a straightforward process, but it's always best to move carefully and double-check your choices. If you're cleaning up your portfolio or just starting fresh, this is a great way to keep things tidy. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or need clarification on a particular step? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.